everyone, my name is Isaac from the Innovation Consortium, and today I would like to share with you information about spanners. First of all, somebody could ask, what is a spanner? A spanner is a wrench we use for fastening or loosening and tightening mechanical fasteners. Right here on the board, I'm having examples of spanners or wrenches we use to fasten or loosen fasteners. So first of all, I'm having this type of wrench, and this one, it's called a fixed spanner. Both sides are fixed. So why we call it a fixed spanner? Because for it, we just fix it inside a given type of fastener. Take a hexagonal bolt, we just fix it inside. So by the due action, that's why we call it a fixed spanner. This one also, it's called a fixed spanner. They are more or less the same. They are only different in sizes. Secondly, we are having a ring spanner. Why it's called a ring spanner? It's also used for tightening and loosening fasteners, but it's in a ring form. The splines we see inside here adapt to the corners of the fastener or a bolt or a nut. They adapt to that bolt or nut, and they be able to loosen or fasten it. And the third spanner I'm having here, it's called a combination spanner. Why combination? It's because it's having a ring one side and the other side it's having a fix. So it combines the ring and the fix. That's why we call it a combination, but it still serves the same purpose. Fourth, I'm having, it's a ring spanner, but the difference between this and this, we can see an angle here on this very one. So this one is a ring, but it's an offset spanner. Because of this very offset, the angle, it makes an offset. That's why it's called an offset spanner. The fifth one I would like to share, it's an adjustable wrench or an adjustable spanner. Why it's called an adjustable spanner? It's because it's able to open the jaw. It has one moving jaw which adapts to different sizes of bolts and nuts. So it adjusts. That's why it's called an adjustable spanner or an adjustable wrench. The sixth one I'm having on my board, it's a box spanner. Box spanners come in different sizes also, from 13 to maybe 30 and above. So why they are called box spanners? Inside this box, it's where the wrench is. You can see those flats inside. Those flats are the ones which adapt to the fastener. Take for instance the nut or the bolt, and be able to tighten or loosen with the help of a wrench. So box spanners, to clarify, they move hand in hand with wrenches, and in most cases, I have an example of this wrench. This is an L. It's a wrench, but you will have to fix it in the box so that you get the desired torque when fastening or loosening in a fastener. There are very many different types of wrenches which come with a box, but today I'm having this one only. But we can have a ratchet, we can have a T, we can have a Y. They are all handles actually which adapt to the box so that you can achieve the desired torque when fastening, that is loosening or tightening in a fastener. So basically that's it for the wrenches. So practically we are going to see how we use these wrenches in our daily works. So first of all, we are going to see how we use a spanner to tighten or loosen a given fastener. So simply to demonstrate how our wrenches work or how our spanners work, first of all, I'll start with the combination spanner, because for it has the fixed side and the ring side. So practically you can see the fixed side. We'll be just fixing it on the fastener and we loosen. There we go, the nut is loosening. So the same applies to the ring spanner, the ring side. We put it the same way, we loosen or fasten the screw. So that's how the ring and the fix work. Secondly, we are going to see how the box spanner works. We say this is the box spanner. We insert our box on the fastener. This is a nut. It's 19, spanner 19. So we are having a box of 19. We fix it on the nut. As I said earlier on, you'll need a wrench to adapt to the box so that you get the desired torque when loosening or tightening. So we insert the wrench inside, so we will be able to loosen or tighten the fastener. So basically that's how the box works. I remain Isaac from the Innovation Consortium. Thanks for watching.